Materials that become mixed and suspended in water will reduce its transparency and make the water turbid. Turbidity is a measure of water transparency, specifically of how much the solid matter suspended in water decreases the passage of light through the water column.
Transparency tube is used to measure water clarity in shallow waters. This demonstration specifically shows the bucket grab method, as the water body is not accessible to stand in. If using this method, do so after your bucket grab sample collection to avoid water disturbance for other tests. Supplies needed includes a bucket with a rope and either a 60 centimeter or 120 centimeter transparency tube. For step 1, rinse your bucket and transparency tube twice, making sure to dispose of the water downstream. For step 2, collect your sample water with the bucket, making sure not to disrupt any sediment. Fill the transparency tube with your sample water from your bucket grab. For step 3, look down the tube to see if the disc at the bottom is visible. If the disc is not visible, release water until barely visible and record the transparency depth in meters, indicating the level of transparency on your core monitoring form. If the tube is filled to the top and the disc is completely visible, record the measurement as greater than the transparency tube maximum measurement.